not bands. What am I doing? Hey, just a heads up, there's someone on our team not calling their hits. Call your fucking hits. Don't be a bitch. Please. Thank you.
What?
There's someone on this team who's not calling their hits.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a bunch of people that are complaining that they shot this, well, some guy like a million times is not calling it. So, right. Yeah, that's fine, but if you hit, call it.
Yeah.
Because that's really annoying when you got shot, or when you shoot someone, they're not calling it. It's a game. Don't let your ego get to your head. It's just a game where shooting toy guns, guys.
Well, he spawns in there, right?
Spawns in here. Spawns in here. Yeah, you can spawn up here if you want. Actually, okay. Since this is, I think we should spawn over there because we're not going into CQB. This is usually where we spawn when we have CQB open. Because we're supposed to be spawning at farmhouse. So I don't know where that is, but I'm pretty sure it's like somewhere over here. This is fire department. Where's farmhouse?
Hey, so look, we need to have like people run straight down, and people run through the spawn CQB hallway.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind. I'm stupid, guys.
Yeah.
Last time I saw it was farmhouse. So. Okay. Oh jeez.
So I didn't even feel it, but I heard it. Right. I was like, "What is that noise?" And I was like, "Oh,
oh someone's shooting me! Oh whoa!" Oh man. This is an OLED. It's my friend's. It's not really supposed to be mounted on a gun, but I just tried it. It works, right? It's really bright. Yeah, it works.
That's how I ran my first light. I didn't have a mount. I just zip tied it on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna buy an OLED pistol light and put it on top here. Probably with one of those momentary pressure switches. Jesus Christ. Works.
What?
Let me see that. Yeah, that's here. There it was first thing. Oh, you don't have a sight on this? I gotta get rid of this fog. No, it's so close. Ow, shit.
can't take that off, man."
Here, sit behind the wooden thing.
You said CQB is not open?
It's not open.
Did they change this one the last time I've been here?
This is like probably only the fourth, fifth time I've been here.
It's honestly weird.
I'm liking it so far. I usually play in future ball.
What?
Right.
The hallway right here?
Really?
Is your lane
like how they did it then, because that's a death trap right there. It's just clear hallway. Shit.
Oh yeah, it was death trap.
Yeah. Right. Geico car insurance. Hey, did you guys know you can save 50% or more with Geico? Mic recording. Alright, I'm gonna push out. This is way too far. Are there people in there? Oh shit, I wanna get somewhere here. Oh, hit! Oh, nice! Oh, I know where this boy is. I know where this boy is. I'm gonna get him. Alright, now we need to start pushing the bomb. They got bomb. Who has bomb? That's not us for sure. Hey, one in marathon! Hey, one in marathon's pushing right. One in marathon's pushing right. Oh, okay. I'm running. Oh, hit! Nice shot. Dead man, I'm crossing you. We need to push it far. Their right side's really weak. There's one guy. Right side is really weak. We got to push. There's one guy there. Oh, nice shot. Hey guys. Dead man. Hey, we gotta start pushing up. We gotta go right side. They're really weak over there. You got one guy. Hey, I'm gonna cross here and spawn. You guys wanna push out a little more? We can get these guys, all they're doing is sitting down. We can get them, we just gotta push. Watch out. Hey, you need to push up. They can't cross the 50, you need to push. Fuck! The man. God damn it. Bang, 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 bang. Hit. Nice shot. Dead man. Huh? I don't know, man. It's a pretty... Oh, I don't know. You need to push up, dude. You really need to push up. If you're not reaching, you gotta push. Right side? Left side. Mostly the right side. Push right with it. Hey guys, we need to push the bomb! Fucking safety, damn it. Behind the marathon wooden barrier. Cover. Hit.